Hello guys, today we are going to see the project demonstration of a line follower robot. The basic concept of this project is the robot will follow the lines. Okay, for example, we will draw a black color line. So the robot will follow the black color line and it will function whatever the task given to that robot. So this is the abstract of the project. And coming to block diagram, this is the block diagram. Actually, we are using two IR sensors to track the line. It will be connected to the Arduino microcontroller and a motor driver and a robot model. Okay, and here the additionally ZigBee protocol was used to monitor the activities of the particular robot. Actually, this concept was developed for some other applications, so we used ZigBee here. If you want, we can use ZigBee, or else you can design a simple line tracking robot. And this is the project report actually. So let us see the live demonstration of this project. So this is the demo of the project. Here you can see the robot will follow the black line. So if there is no obstacle, it will continuously follow the black line. So this is the concept of this project. Actually, in this project we used components like IR sensor, ultrasonic sensor, and Arduino UNO, motor driver, and a lithium ion battery. So the robot will stop if any obstacle detected. Actually, the ultrasonic sensor will detect the obstacles in front of the robot, and the robot will stop if any obstacle is detected. Okay guys, so I think you watched the demo. So if you required this type of projects, you can contact us. And here you can see the documentations which we give along with this project. So the documentation will come around 64 pages, includes content like abstracts, block diagram, hardware and software requirement, hardware descriptions, which includes the details, clear details about the components whichever we used in this project. And these are all the hardware details, hardware descriptions, ZigBee module, how the ZigBee module work, everything, literature review, and finally the references. This is the document which we give along with this project.